Members of the Shia community staged massive protests across the Shia-majority Kargil district in Ladakh on Wednesday, expressing strong support for Iran's supreme leader Ayatollah Ali. Large crowds gathered at key locations in the district, with protesters carrying banners and placards praising Iran's leadership and expressing solidarity with Iranian people. The demonstrators said the protest was meant to reaffirm religious and ideological bonds with Iran's Shia leadership. Alongside messages of support, the protest also witnessed slogans against the United States and Israel. Protesters raised slogans targeting US President Donald Trump and Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu, accusing them of pursuing hostile and aggressive policies towards Iran and the wider Muslim world. The demonstrations in Kargil come amid escalating regional and international tensions involving Iran. The country has been witnessing widespread unrest for nearly 3 weeks, triggered by severe economic hardships including double-digit inflation and the continuous devaluation of Iranian currency. Reports suggest that the protests in Iran have led to significant casualties, further intensifying the crisis. Amid the unrest, US President Donald Trump has openly urged protesters in Iran to take control of their institutions and not back down, claiming that support was on the way. Meanwhile, the United States has issued precautionary advisories, including the partial evacuation of personnel from the US-run military facilities in the region, following Iran's warning to neighboring countries hosting American bases. Tehran has warned of possible strikes if any attack is launched against Iranian territory. The developments reflect growing geopolitical uncertainty in the region, with the Kargil protest highlighting how global political tensions continue to resonate far beyond West Asia.